Want this one too? There. Can you throw them down to me? Yay! Uh-oh, we lost one. There's that one. I know, it's too far away. Sorry. I can't get it. Here. Can you throw it? Throw it to me. Slobber on it first. Yay! Good job. Throw it harder than that. It's got to make it down more than one step. Good job. No, stay there. Thank you. Throw it down. I know you're looking for the red one. I'll go get it, okay? Whoa! What do you know? Good job. Wow. Finally caught that on video for Dada. Good job. Can you do it again? Here. You stand up. Of course, you're doing it right by the stairs. Stand up. You stand? I'm going to move closer just in case. Yay! Standing girl. Woohoo! Yes! Yeah, good job. Very good. Oop. Go get it. You gonna bring it back to me? Come here, goofball. Oh. And she's out.